Hey, today I'm going to show you how to change a key shell on Toyota key. What we need to do is take a small flathead. You can just open the key. First thing you have here, the remote control. Here we have the chip that actually starting the car. So first thing we have to take the chip out. So we're going to put here some needle or small screwdriver and just lift the chip up, you see. Then we're going to take the board. Now we're going to take the remote control. Now as you see, the shell come without any button, so we're going to take the button too from here. I'm going to take the button and we're going to put them here by order. I'm going to take this plastic rubber. I'm going to put the remote back here. I'm going to take the chip. You see, we're going to stick the chip inside. I'm going to put the cover back and we're all done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.